Ever wondered if you can build a mobile app using ChatGPT? Let's just ask him. Got an interesting answer. Let's check it out. First, open Appery and create a new app. If you don't have Appery account, you need to sign up. It is simple and free. Right now, the app is empty, but we can already test it. So let's do that. We can see how it looks on Android and iPhone. Even though the app doesn't do anything yet, we can already export it as an Android or iOS app, and we'll do that by the end of this video. Inside the Pages folder, we've got our app screens. To have ChatGPT generate a screen, select a content element and hit the AI Assistant button. We can type requests or can speak them. Generate a drop-down with all United States states, click Generate, and boom! The drop-down is ready. Double-clicking it shows an array of states that we loop through the array to create the list. You can also find these states under the Code tab in the Variables section. Now, hit the Test button, and it works perfectly. Time for something cooler. Let's create a new screen and update the default routing. Again, select Content, click the AI Assistant, and give it the prompt. Generate a form for this JSON object, and just like that, the form is ready. Testing it. Everything looks great. Boolean properties turned into checkboxes, drop-downs were created, and there's even a date-time picker. But we can improve this. Right now, every component has a separate variable with default values. If we check the Code tab under Variables, we'll see them all. Not very convenient. Let's fix that by generating a new form with an updated request. We need to create an object and use it as the end model value for all components. Default values should be empty. If a property is an array, turn it into an array of values for a drop-down. Check it out. Now, it's perfect. Time for something even more fun. A game. Create a new screen and ask ChatGPT to generate a Tic-Tac-Toe game. And just like that, the game is ready. Let's play. It's crazy, but it actually works. Hit Reset, and we can play again. One of the biggest advantages of using Appery with ChatGPT? It generates logic, and we can customize the UI however we like. Now, let's turn our app into a real mobile app. Select Export, choose Android Build, and boom! The Android app is ready. Scan the QR code, download, install, and open it. And there it is. Our real, working mobile app, created in just minutes without writing any code. That's it. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.